Hi everyone, today we're going to make a teriyaki chicken vegetable bowl. The ingredients are very simple. We just need some soybeans, red pepper, cucumber, and sweet onions. First, let's chop up all the vegetables. After chopping the vegetables, you should have a pot of water boiled. Just put the frozen soybeans inside of the pot and boil for another 5 to 10 minutes. Now let's get started on our chicken. So I just cooked 4 small pieces of chicken breast. Each side I will put salt, pepper, and hot chili pepper powder on it. The chili powder is optional, you don't have to put on it if you don't like spicy food. In the end, I just brushed the chicken breast with some soy sauce to finish it up on both sides. It looked much better after that. So in the end, take the soybeans out and take the chicken to the cutting board. So get a bowl of rice ready. Now we just make the bowl. You can decorate any way you like with all the vegetables. One important ingredient I haven't mentioned is the avocado. If you like avocado, you should have some for this bowl. Last but not least, the Sesame Teriyaki sauce. It's so important for this dish. Don't forget about it. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for your time. If you like my video, give me a thumb up. See you next time.